In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move a worksheet from one workbook to another in Excel efficiently. This method is perfect whether you're organizing your data or simply cleaning up your spreadsheets for a project. Let's dive right into it. To begin, open the workbook that contains the worksheet you want to move. Once you have that open, right-click on the tab of the worksheet. You'll see a menu pop up with several options. From this menu, select Move or Copy. This option allows you to manage how you shift your worksheets between different workbooks. At this point, it's essential to ensure that you have your destination workbook open, the workbook you want to move your worksheet to. With both workbooks open, you'll notice in the Move or Copy dialog box that you have the ability to choose which workbook the sheet will go to. You can either select your second workbook from the list, or if you prefer to create a new one, you can choose New Book. For managing the order of your worksheets, Excel allows you to decide exactly where you'd like the worksheet to appear in your destination workbook. You can select the position before a specific sheet within the workbook, which can make organization much simpler if you're working with multiple sheets. Now, if your goal is to not only move the worksheet, but also keep a copy in the original workbook, there's a handy feature for that too. Simply check the option that says Create a Copy. This ensures that the worksheet will not only be moved to the new location, but will also remain in your original workbook, giving you easy access whenever you need it. Once you've made all your selections and reviewed them to ensure everything is in its place, click OK, and there you have it. Your worksheet has now been successfully copied to the second workbook. To double check, go into your second workbook, and you should see the worksheet right where you wanted it. And there you have it. Let's recap. Right-click the Worksheet tab, select Move or Copy, ensure both workbooks are open, choose your destination, decide if you want a copy made, and then hit OK. It's that simple, and now you're ready to manage and organize your data even better. Thanks for tuning in today. If you found this tutorial helpful, please be sure to like the video, drop a comment with any questions or suggestions, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful Excel tips and tricks. Bye for now.